If you're an experienced flyer or you've just bought your first drone, you'll want to get into a good habit of properly caring for your drone and its parts. It's important to keep your drone clean of dust and grime to ensure it's ready to fly the next time you grab it and head out the door. Building yourself a small toolkit filled with everything you'll need to care for, clean, and repair your drone while in the field is a great practice to start from the get-go. Here at Sphere, we regularly clean the drones in our fleet, ensuring we get the longest lifespan possible out of our equipment. After every flight, you should clear away any dust and debris with compressed air. Compressed air helps clear away any debris in those tough-to-reach spots on your drone, such as around the motors or near the circuit boards. It also won't damage the electronics at all. Great for cleaning your drone's shell, rubbing alcohol, along with a microfiber cloth, should work well for cleaning off dirt and stains. Make sure you get the 99% alcohol so you won't damage your circuits. It doesn't take long to keep your drone clean, and we highly recommend following these steps to ensure you get the most out of your gear. Remember, a clean drone is a happy drone, and a happy drone makes for a happy pilot. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more drone-related content.